victory. Doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen. Do it. Screams from the haters. Got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. The system broken, the schools closed, the prisons open. We ain't got nothing to lose, motherfucker, we rollin'. Huh? Motherfucker, we rollin'. With some light-skinned girls and some Kelly Rollins. And this white man world, we the ones chosen. So good night, cool world, I see you in the morning. Huh? I see you in the morning. This is way too much, I need a moment. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. Till then, fuck that, the world's ours. Kiss my whole ass. More specifically, they can kiss my asshole. I'm an asshole. You niggas got jugs. You sure minded niggas sauce is Napoleon. My furs is Mongolian. My ice brought the goalies and I embody every characteristic of the egotistic. He knows he's so fucking gifted. I just needed time alone with my own thoughts. Got treasures in my mind, but couldn't open up my own vault. My talent, creativity, purity, and honesty is honestly being crowded by these grown thoughts. Reality is catching up with me, taking my inner child, I'm fighting for custody. With these responsibilities that they entrusted me, as I look down at my diamond encrusted piece, thinking no one man should have all that power.
Hey, not one man should have all that power, but hey, you know, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the power. I can handle it. I can control it. I can do things with it. All that power. It's Mega Money Mondays, baby. We are back here at the BDH. We got a special guest over there. My prodigy, my DNA, the man, the myth, the legend. We got the law back in the house. It's summertime, and we're turning up here at the BDH, baby. It's going to be a day. It's going to be a day to make some money. I'm fired up right now. Here we get into it. Looking at the Nasdaq right now. I don't even, you know, some people, they brush their hair in the morning. I ain't got time for that. I go to the gym. I take a shower. I come to the BDH. I pump it up. Pump it, pump it, pump it up. Pump, 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 pump it up. Pump, 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 pump it up. All right, all right. Right now, looking here at the hourly chart, we got that VWAP down there acting as support right now. A little push up here. Try to get that 21,300 breakout there. Well, we'll not get it, but I think kind of see if they trap above that 300. The hourly candle just opened up here, 9 a.m. There it is. Little pushy pushing. Little pushy pushing. We got some pivot points here as well. So we're getting ready. Market open. Pivot point. VWAP. Overnight, we sold off, we dipped, we ripped, we looking a little bit like a inverted head and shoulders or something. I don't know what it looks like exactly, but something's going on there. What is that? What is that, chat? What does that look like? What is it? What does it mean? What does it mean? I don't know. I think it's one of those mythical patterns. Little peepee, big ball pattern. So we are getting fired up here, ready for market open. All right, all right. Well, look at that. Top Step's already in the red today. The market hasn't even opened, and they're just going to start out in the red. So I guess I don't have to really worry about much. I don't have to worry. The competition is low, boys. Competition is low. It is low around here. Everybody have a good weekend? What'd y'all do this weekend? Who did what this weekend? I wonder who had the best weekend. What do y'all think? I went down to the Keys. It was Danny, my captain's wedding. Came back up here, picked up Landon, went fishing Sunday morning. We caught some bass. We got some bass. And then, what else did we do? Yeah, just kind of it actually started pouring down rain on Sunday, so pretty chill Sunday, but we're enjoying it. We're living it. It's fun. This is a video of Landon getting a bass. Little bass boy. Look at him. I got this new little boat recently for doing some flats and some stuff out in the rivers and stuff, so. Oh, hold the bass up, boy. Look at that stance. Bro, where'd you get that stance at? Where'd you get that stance at, Landon? How'd you get that stance all ninja? He's a ninja fisherman. Ready for anything. He's got to do some trading over there today. Hopefully make some money for me. I put him in my Top Step or my Tradeify live account. You know, if he makes some money, I told him he could buy something with it. So we'll see what happens. Getting ready for market open here. What do we got? Nasdaq. We got the Earth. The Earth is spinning. Where's the freaking chart at that we need here? All that power. All right, well, never mind. No charts for us today. It's just numbers, people. Just numbers, all right? We just gonna be looking at the numbers today. I gotta change that thing at the bottom as well. Where's that thing at? Because Apex is no longer. It's no longer 90% off. But, well, you always got other stuff to look at. What else could I put on there? I'm trying to see. What do we got? Oh yeah, on the prop firms, the best deals always pw.com. pw.com. I should have got that actually. pw.com. That would be a vibe. Start selling all my stuff on there. pw.com. All right. Big day, big money Mondays here. Big money Mondays. Looking at the Nasdaq, the ES right now. That 5,900 level here on the ES. Holding up there for now. Will she ride? Will she ride? Ride, Sally, ride. Huh. I'm trying to like look at the bigger picture here, right? What does this look like? If we're in a wave, it's like maybe a push kind of back up here. We've got yesterday or Friday's close there. 59.15 area. 59.15 area. Something to look at there. Or do we roll like this? Woo! Are we in a downward trend here? What do you think? Inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, we talked about that. Inverse head and shoulders set up there. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here into the VWAP as well. So we've got a little bit of resistance there. Pivot point. So basically like 5,900 area on the ES being that key level to focus on here today. Got to get above it, you know. I'm obviously trading Nasdaq, but I like to always take a look. Take a look at the bigger picture. Take a look here. I mean, it kind of looks like a big old head and shoulders type move. Right? Kind of looks like a big old head and shoulders type move here. The shoulder, the head, the shoulder. So 30% low. It's gonna low. The fuck does that mean? %30 low. It's gonna low. That right there is called edumacation. Hey everybody, it's a 30% low. It's gonna low. Is anybody gambling right now? Paris. I'm always gambling. Every day I wake up, I'm gambling, baby. I take a risk with my life every day, you know? I only have so many days. Think about that, right? You only have so many days to live. So every day that you choose to do something, it's a risk. You're wasting valuable fucking time and energy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's always a risk. We wake up every morning. We choose to either go left or to go right, go up or to go down. And that's just the nature of the beast. What did I learn from the J Dunn mentorship this weekend? Oh, well, you know, I learned how to be a piece of shit. I learned how to fucking get really terrible tattoos. I learned how to get, you know, I just learned how to be awesome, basically. Basically, I just learned how to be a team bull. You know, people ask me, like, Patrick, what do you do? What are you? I say, I'm team bull. I'm a bull. I'm a team of bulls. Whenever the market goes up, I go team bull. Team bull. Did you see Tori Trades? Oh, yes, I saw her. I saw her in Rake's Instagram story. She don't look so good when she's not all makeuped up. Huh? Tori Trades got to put on a fucking pound of makeup to not look like that big old butter face of hers. Oh, that's mean. I know it's mean. Let's be happy. Hey, like I said, you know, for every ugly girl, there's an ugly guy. So, you know, I'm sure she'll be all right. I'm sure she'll be all right. Luckily for us beautiful people, we don't have to worry about that because, well, we're just so goddamn beautiful. All right, all right. Oh, by the way, big news. The R word. It's back, baby. It is back. It's okay to say retarded. Landon, you're allowed to say a retard again, bro. You're good to go. Don't worry. When you're playing Fortnite, you can call everybody a retard. It is totally fine. The thing is, just don't call an actual retard. Because that's messed up. If you're gonna call somebody retard that's not actually a retard. Because then, you know, it's just how the word works. So, just putting that out there for anybody. Like this right here. Perfect example of retard. He's not actually retarded, but he fucking looks retarded, and he talks retarded, and he trades retarded. My favorite is all the influencers that, now that I'm number two on the leaderboard with Tradeify, they all have excuses. Oh, well, you know, I don't trade Tradeify, but you have a Tradeify account, so what does it mean? If you don't trade Tradeify, but you have a Tradeify account, and Patrick Wieland is number 2, and you're not on the list, what does that mean? What does that mean, chat? What does that mean? We the biggest, we the largest, what that means, my friends. That's what that means. What do we got today? We got any news? We got any news today? We got any news today? What do we got? Let's see. Check it out, onlyproverbs.com. Onlyproverbs.com. June 2nd. Is that today? Is it June 2nd already? Oh my God, I'm heading to Hawaii in like 20 days. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know Landon's ready. I know the editor's ready too. He's going to Hawaii. I put him in the back of the plane though. Me, Landon, and Victoria are sitting up first class. The editor's all the way in the back. I booked the seat all the way in the back, right next to the toilets, because I know he has a irritable bowel syndrome, so he has to go to the bathroom. Oh, man. Don't worry, editor. I got you. I got you the best seat on the plane. All the way in the back. It was on discount. It was discounted for you. Oh, man. All right, so we got news this morning. ISM we actually have S&P Global manufacturing news here. PMI. We got some car sale news. And then we've got construction, ISM, bill auction later on today. But the big news this morning will be that 9:45 news. And then the 10 o'clock news here. All right, all right. You know what that means? I told a buddy of mine, actually, he messaged me on Instagram. It was like, Patrick, I blew up my account again. I was like, what do you mean you blew up your account? The market's not even fucking open. He said he blows up his account and the market's not even open. I said, how did you blow up your account? He said, man, I got bored last night and I tried to trade. You know? I got bored last night. I'm like, that's stupid. Why? I said, listen, make it a rule. Make a fucking rule. Like a promise yourself. Make it a promise. I am only going to trade between 9:30, or actually I told him 10 o'clock. I'm only going to trade between 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock every day. I'm not going to do any kind of bullshit. Not trading at night when I'm bored. I'm not trading, you know, if the market's not open, I'm not trading it. Stay away from it. You know, the board trades will always end up destroying your account. I know it sounds like people are like, yeah, but I just put on one contract last night and then I lost $1,000 and blew up my account. I'm like, well, I mean, why? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why? Why'd you do that? Terrible idea. All right. Now we got that figured out. Everybody understands. Let's get ready for market open. Right now, VWAP, we got this close Friday, 380 area, about 100 points to the upside there. Could we fill the gap here today? I think back above kind of like 21,300 should be like pretty easy to fill that gap. Market put in kind of this low down here, sold off. London open, pushed right back up and holding, got back above the VWAP here into open. And we're getting ready here. Getting ready. I mean, also here, the thing is as well, like if you're going to be a trader, right? If you're going to day trade, like you can only trade 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day max. If you're trying to trade 16 hours a day, I'm telling you right now, it's not a profitable strategy. A lot of new traders, they try to do that, right? Where they just sit there and they trade all day. And it don't work. You're going to get yourself burnt out. You're going to go on tilt. Whatever it is, it's a bad idea, right? Get in, get out. Get in, get out. I think like I've always talked about it too. The best trading that I do is always when I have other stuff to do. I know that sounds silly, but like I always trade best, right? I always trade best when I pretty much am like, oh, fuck, I got to get out of here by 10:30, right? Like whenever I have something to do, whenever I know that I have to get off the computer at like 10:30, 11, I always trade best because I get in, I lock in the profit, and then I walk away and I go enjoy my day. It's always the days where I try to keep trading, right? I go to lunch, I come back, it's 12:30 in the afternoon, and I put on a trade. I end up blowing up my account, and I'm like, fuck, you know, like, why'd I do that? It's always like that. If I look at any of, you know, my normal red days, if I look at my red days, most of those red days happen after I was already green, right? Which is weird, right? Like, that's a weird thing, because you go from having a green morning when you made money, trading the 15-minute opening range, getting in, getting out, and then what happens? You try to trade in the fucking afternoon and you end up blowing up your account. It's a bad strategy. Don't do it. Don't do it. Make money and then get the fuck out of here. I'm telling you, those small profits add up. No one believes me. Nobody believes me. They never believe me, right? People don't want to believe me. They're like, no, Patrick, I'm trying to make $10,000 day one. I'm like, why? Why? Why are you trying to do that? Who ever told you that was a good idea? You know, who? Who said, oh, hey, Johnny, you should trade fucking 5 hours, you know, a day and make $1 million? Who ever told you that? Terrible. Don't do it. Like, just for example, I know I've already shown this a million times, but like, look here. This is my, these are my Tradeify straight to funded accounts. And I'll show you like what one account, I had 5 of those accounts, obviously. My net P&L was $30,000 trading just those one account. And like, look at my P&L here. This is what I want you guys to see, right? There's not one big day of profit. $3,000 was my biggest day, right? 3,000, 3.2, 2.4. I mean, there's not one big day of profit. I think January, February. Yeah, January, February. Look, again, there's not one, not one big profit. But look at the net P&L. 30 days of green, 26 trades, 80% win-loss ratio. Like, this is it, right? These are the stats that everybody should strive for. Strive for it. The $34 day was because I was flipping. Anybody that's freaking out about the very small profits, it's because I didn't need to trade anymore, and I was already above the payout cap anyway with Tradeify. But yeah, like those small days are just because I'm flipping there. Those are full contracts, minis, trading minis, not micros. I mean, you can see it's all there. This is my favorite too. Like, look. Total P&L, 30,000. Average winning trade. My average losing trade actually higher, by the way. That's because of those, like, flip days and everything. But, again, total number of trades, 88 trades. Total number of winning trades, 70. Total number of losing trades, 18. I mean, this is it right here. This is what you want your account to look like. You know, it's not like there's no big move, but it's consistent. It's consistently growing higher. You know? And this is the best part too. I love this part to look at. Like trade time. Look at this. What's funny is from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, I was actually in the red. Right? Total trade with my trades there. And then look, what's funny is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning, that's when we normally trade, 9 to 10. This is where the majority of our money was made. Right there. Bam. 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 You know, look at my average win ratio. 80%. Bam. Bam, bada, bam, bada, bam. And then this is where things get funny, where I start trading after that. So, focus on focus on where you're good. Focus on what you trade, you know, your strategy. And then the rest of the time, just fucking stay away from it. Stay away from the market, you know? Someone says, I noticed that taking 10 points and having an 80% win rate. I mean, I've talked about it before. 10, 20 points on the Nasdaq, 2 or 3 contracts, all you need. I know it's fun to have 100-point movers and, you know, all that. It's fun, right? It's cool. It's great to post about on Twitter and all that. But at the end of the day, you know, fuck it. Make money, baby. Get in, get out. All right, like I said, Nasdaq right now, we've got some resistance. So obviously there's 2 ways the market's going to go. It's going to either kind of go up here and then pull back again, or maybe we kind of dip through there and we try to fill the gap. I'm okay with either. I don't really care. I'm looking for opportunities, bear flags, bull flags, make money, get in, get out. I don't need to predict which way the market's going to move. I don't need to really do anything other than just wait for a good setup here, the 15-minute range to open, and, you know, lock it in, baby. Just lock it in, baby. Just lock it in, Junior. What's up with Trade-Evate? Let me see. Well, what's up with Trade-Evate? It seems fine. This is a Tradeify account right here, or Take Profit Trader account right now, and it's working. Landon's trading it. You put a trade on, Landon? Did you trade? It says $10 in red. You lost $10 already? Dude. Landon. Losing my money, bro. What time is Jerome Powell speaking? I think he, 10 o'clock? Or no, sorry, 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock? $1 p.m. We've got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. Right now, Nasdaq holding up here. We're looking at the ES as well. ES on the 4-hour chart, trying to do something. This is kind of, I think this is that key level, right, for us. The ES and the Nasdaq both have that resistance there, 5,900. 5,900 right now. We're watching kind of what plays out there for now. So It's time to make some money, baby. It's time. It's time. It's time. Kind of want to see what happens here. Is this a big bear flag? Do we sell down, take out that low from the overnight here, London low? But that gap fill to the upside, obviously there as well. So, like I said, I'm okay either way. I don't really care. I think if we get above 5,900 there on the ES, we get above 21,300 on the Nasdaq. I'm looking at the Nasdaq and the ES, JWFX. Welcome to trading. I don't just look at one thing. I look at everything. I'm looking at the Dow. I'm looking at the ES. I'm looking at Nvidia. I'm looking at Nasdaq. I want to see what the market's doing across the board. The bigger picture, my friends. I want to make money. We've got, what do we do? Friday, we pushed up there end of day. We reversed there on Friday, 21,380. We bounced off that kind of this area from Friday overnight for the London market. What do we do here at open now? Nvidia, right now, I think Nvidia, I don't know why it's, Nvidia's kind of like right where it closed at on Friday. So. How many monitors do you prefer for beginner trader? 1? I don't know. 2? 5? 10? 100? More monitors, more profit, baby. All right, so right now we've had lower highs since we pushed up into that pivot point. So we kind of have like this setup here going into open. And we got about 6 minutes here. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news here today. Do you have a trade room? Yes, right here on YouTube, free. I don't know why people are so confused. Patrick, where's your trade room at? Here, live on YouTube, it's free. You know, it's funny because people will always be like, Patrick, I can't believe that you sell a course. Patrick, I can't believe, but I'm like, I can't believe that people ask me if they can buy a course, right? People will literally be like, Patrick, I'll pay for your Discord. I'm like, I don't have a Discord. Like, but I'll pay for it. I want to be in your Discord, Patrick. I'm like, we're live on YouTube, free. We're literally on YouTube, free. But they're still like, no, it's not the same. I need a Discord. Give me the Discord. Guys, it's I have a free YouTube channel. No, Patrick, no. I need Discord. You must charge me money for Discord, please. Please. How will I ever trade if I don't have a Discord? All right. Going into open, little pushback up here. We bounced off that VWAP here once again. I kind of like, if we get, I'd like to see us obviously above this high. Kind of, I want to see a, good support. Kind of like push up, pull back, and then go. Or we just go straight up. I mean, hey, either way. We got the VWAP down here. So below the VWAP could be some trouble, right? There's a couple ways to think about this. Maybe we kind of dip down. We take out 240 and then we rip back. So that's what I would not want to get short just like right away here. I kind of like the idea of let's have the market kind of take out that 240 level, push back up, get denied there at the VWAP, and then look for a short. right? Then I'm looking for a short. It's just really hard to get short, like right into that, because it's like 240 would be the perfect spot to kind of trap and then rip back up. And then it's kind of the same idea, right? If we push straight up here at open, I'm not going to just get long right away. I want to see like a pullback, kind of test that pivot point again, and then a nice like bullish reaction. So we're kind of just like in this little bit of a range here from about 7 o'clock or so. We got 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news. So no rush. We got plenty of time. We don't have to make money in the first 5 minutes, although it's nice. I mean, we don't have to, right? We don't have to do it. But right now, look at this. They're pushing it. Could we fill that gap there? That gap puts us all the way back up there, 21,380. So if you don't see the trap, don't worry. It sees you. True story. True story. Thank you for being the better me. Remind me every day, but I do love you. Damn, Adam. Just better than you, bro. Why was Brian talking shit on Twitter? I don't know, because he's fucking retarded. He made the best argument ever, or he made the best rebuttal ever when he said that he doesn't care about leaderboards, he only cares about payouts. And I'm like, sir, the payout on Tradeify is only, the leaderboard is only payouts, you dumb motherfucker. But Patrick, I don't care about leaderboards. I only care about payouts. I'm like, the leaderboard shows top payouts. It doesn't show fucking top trading. It shows who got the most bag, the most money. Who got the most money? Here we go. 30 seconds till market open. Are we ready? Landon, are you ready? You're not so excited. It's market open. Mega Money Monday, baby. You want to buy that new skiff? You better make some money over there, boy. Better make some money, boy. Ain't no free rides in this world. Ain't no free ride here, buddy. It's the BDH. Everyone's got to work. Everybody's got to work around here. If you want to eat, you got to work. That's right. Mega Money Mondays, 9:30 a.m. We're getting ready for the launch here. Market open. 2, 3, 1. Woo! Wow, look at that. Straight up here so far. Perfect. Now we want to see kind of a bull flag setup here. Give me a bull flag setup. Give me a bull flag setup. Let's get a little bit of a pullback here. Oh, God. This is going to go straight to the moon. I should have known. I should have known, chat. Should have known. Wow. Wow. Don't do this to me, chat. Don't do this. It's going to pull back. We're going to get a pullback here. Let me pull back like 320 area, right? Oh, God. No pullback. First 1 minute candle boner to the upside. Just a boner candle to the upside so far. Banana. You're up 14 bucks? Dude, you better slow down over there, buddy. Landon's up $14 already. He's going to buy one little bait for his fishing tackle. All right, well, come on, Nasdaq. Don't. I hate when it does this, right? Like, you want that pullback so badly. If you get in right here, you're like, look at it. If you get in right there, what are you going to do? You know it's going to, as soon as I get long, it's going to crash back down. It's going to crash back down as soon as I get long here. So, just waiting, being patient. Good morning, Patrick. Can you let me know your pivot settings? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Are you fucking kidding me? It is 9:31 in the morning and the market just opened and you want to know what my pivot settings are. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Bro, be like, hey, Patrick, market just opened. I got a question for you. What's your pivot settings? I'm like, shut the fuck up. Let's make some money and then go fuck your pivot settings. Oh my God, it's just going higher. We're going to fill that gap. Fucking fuck. Look at that. Wow. Wow, chat. Wow. Well, that sucks. On new fucking issue day. You're gonna ask me what my fucking pivot points are on new issue day? Dude, are you kidding? Look at this right now. 100 points at open, just straight to the fucking moon. This gotta be a joke. It's gotta be a fucking joke, chat. I've never seen something so fucking big of a joke. What a joke. This is some real joke shit. Wow. Still just ripping to the moon now. Classic. I mean, we gotta get. It's just like I can't get long. I gotta get some type of pullback here. You know, like I ain't gonna do that today. I am not buying a 100-point rip straight up at open. No, thank you. I will wait for a pullback. No, thank you. Not trying to do that today. There's that 400 push. Oh my God. Oh God. 400s. Just ripping now. Absolutely insane. Are you kidding me? Market literally said, hold my beer, boys. We're going to the moon. Market said, hold my beer. We're going to the goddamn moon. You gotta be kidding me right now. All right, just being patient. Let this pull back. It's gonna pull back at some point. Right? It's got to. Right? Right, chat? Right? Right? Nvidia flying right now. Nvidia up to 137. Straight up here. Amazing. Wow. Nasdaq is on crack. That Friday high, 430 area maybe, but I need some type of pullback. Just give me like a little mini bull flag, something, just a little something. Don't do that. Don't just keep going higher, Nasdaq. Come on, give me like a little dip. Give me a little dip here. 5-minute candle. Look at that thing. What are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna do here? Oh, la, 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 la. All right, I mean, it would be nice to get like a dip below 400s, but right now, NASDAQ is just going absolutely insane. Making new highs, new highs, new highs. NASDAQ, NASDAQ, NASDAQ. Obviously, we got the 15-minute range coming up here. Look at the ES right now. ES pushed straight up there, right to Friday close. I guess we had the right idea. Just needed a little bit more patience, or maybe not patience. Needed to just fucking go straight to the moon there at open. All right, I would like to see kind of just like a 380 pullback would be nice. But look at it, just again, right off that 400s. What a wild move. NASDAQ, absolutely insane. No pullback Mondays. No pullback Monday. We got news here at 9:45, by the way. Should give us some type of pullback here, right? I mean, some type of pullback. They're holding up that 21,400 level for now. There's a big, huge buyer at 410. 50 contracts sitting at 410 right now. What does that mean? This means we're going to go all the way to the moon here? Like, no stops today? Still going straight up here, 430s. Insane. Wow. I'm looking at level 2 to see that big buyer. Up there to the 450s now. Nvidia going to the moon. Everything's just going to the moon right now. We got the 15-minute chart. Or a 15-minute opening range coming up here, obviously, at some point. ES is kind of getting a little heavy. It looks like the ES is kind of slowing down there. Wait for this news to come out. Still just going higher. All right, let's see what they do here. Still waiting for some type of, like, pullback there. That 1 hour candle took out all this resistance there from Friday. We got news coming out here soon. 4 minutes till the news. Patrick, do you think that the move is going to continue going higher? Maybe. Let's see what happens here. This news comes out in 2 minutes. I mean, a pullback, I mean, it makes sense. Right, a pullback here. Lands up 50 bucks. Let's go. Lando. Land in. Land in. He's rich, rich. What'd I say? You're done? Coming back down? All right, all right. You can see this is Landon Trades right here. He had a long there. He's up 50 bucks on the day. Trading micros for my 12-year-old. Getting crazy. It's like playing a video game, huh? It's like playing a video game, man. All right. Well, just I think let's just get this little pullback, right? Get a little pullback. Dippity down here. We got news coming out in 3 minutes. Chad Cobra asked, do I see it going to 23,150? I mean, I guess anything's possible, right? I think we got to kind of like dip down 380s again. This pullback here to the 400s, like I feel like it would just be too easy to drop it one more time to like down into here, right? It's the thing I look about. I gotta blow my nose. Blow my nose. All right, Nasdaq, what you gonna do? News is coming out here in 1 minute. But this news comes out, and then we'll see how the reaction is. Straight up move so far. Right off that 21 EMA again. I'm not sold on this pullback. I think I want more pullback. Like, look at the bigger time frame. That 5-minute chart, it's like, I feel like we got to like dip down into this 380 area. You know? Look at this pullback. 380 area, baby. There's the news. $380 pullback. I mean, it just makes sense. All right, so now we've got obviously a massive opening range there. I don't know why it's... How does it do that? The opening range indicator is not working right. Or maybe, oh, it is, I think. It's actually working now. There's that 400. Let's get, come on, just dip it down. You know it's going to dip down lower than that. There's no way it's going to stop like right here at 400. It's UTC 4. I think it was set. Now, it's, okay, there we go. Oh, God. 930. All right. There's that pullback below 400s now. Sandrew asks, should you enter long now? No. I think you wait. You really wait. That's what you got to do now. No point in fucking just buying a pullback. Dude, what? It's still this. The opening range is still not right, even with the UTC 4. I think it has to be 8. It has to say 8:30. Still not right. What the fuck? Am I retarded? I'm retarded. Dude, what the fuck? All right. All right, we're bouncing there off of Friday close. Let's see if that's going to turn into support. Right there, that 390 level, trying to hold up there. Trying to get it back towards that 400. We're like right there at that EMA. I mean, this could kind of be the bounce. We took out that those 5-minute lows. Now we pulled back into there, so kind of got to see what happens in 10 o'clock news, I guess. Untick show historical data. Ba-da-da-da. What? Yup. Yup. Now it looks like it's right. All right, there we go. Now we're working. All right, this is a great time to just be patient, my friends. You don't have to do anything. We're inside that 15-minute range. We got the VWAP to the downside. I'm just sitting back here and just trying to not pay. I'm like, let's let this 10 o'clock news roll out, you know? Be patient. This is like when the market looks like this. When it looks like this, you know what I like to do? I like to just not pay attention to it. You know what I mean? Like, that's the way I look at it. Straight back down. She's a dumper. Good Lord. All right, back to the VWAP we go. Back to the VWAP. Market just gave up that whole move, basically. Got the VWAP and the pivot point down there. Will we get a buy? I mean, will we get a bounce? This is hard. Holy shit. Why do you have an order open right now? There's an order open. There you go. All right, check this out, chat. My 11-year-old, or my 12-year-old, almost 13-year-old, he shorted 424, took it down there to the 390s. He's up 120 bucks on the day, trading the micros. Not bad, chat. Not bad. Not bad. I wish I was 12 years old learning to trade. I wish I had a mentor like me. You're lucky. People would pay thousands of dollars to be like you. You know that? Thousands. So I think you should pay me to be my son. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. 21,320s. We'll see what happens. We got news in here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got almost 5,000 people watching. That's right, 5,000. 5,000 lucky motherfuckers. If we get 1,000 likes here on the stream, we'll do some giveaways. You know how? Come on, you gotta help me help you, chat. Help me help you. Help me help you. We currently have more people watching than Top Step TV. I think that's fuck. Let's go. We got more than Tradeify for sure. They got 400 watching. Who the fuck watches that show? Idiots. What else we got? Who else is streaming right now? Come on. We're the biggest. We're the largest, baby. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now, chat? Ain't nobody on this level. Ain't nobody here. Ain't nobody. Love to see it. We love to see it. We love to see it. Smoking them all. All right, all right. Well. Oh, I think maybe after 10 o'clock, we're going to get this news, man. All right, there's that VWAP bounce. What do you think, Landon? You looking for longs, or what are you looking at? You looking for a short? That's un-American. That is un-American, chat. My son is looking for a short. What the fuck? Bloomberg Live has 10,000 viewers. Oh, Luca, how about you suck my big old fucking dick? You fucking moron. Bloomberg. Yeah, Bloomberg Live. You know, what the fuck? They play that shit in every airport. They're playing in every airport. Get out of here. Are you done trading with Tradeify? No. Where do these questions come from? I'm still trading with Tradeify. What? I'm up on the day right now. We are up $4,000 trading on Tradeify. This is my Tradeify live account. We actually had a $5,000 loss on Friday. I was fucking around. I was down in the keys. Wasn't a good idea. I don't know if you guys saw that move last Friday around like 8 o'clock. The market dropped 300 points or some shit. It was nuts. But my balance is still pretty much right where we left it. And we're still looking to see what happens from here. But Landon looking for the shorts there. Okay, you like that little bear flag. Through the VWAP? Getting through the VWAP, Landon? You crazy kid. We got 3 minutes till the news comes out. 3 minutes. Overboard fishing team. Patrick, how many contracts do you trade on average? My P&L is good, but my commissions hit hard. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say. I don't really know what you're doing strategy-wise. How many points you taking and what are you doing, you know? This is my VWAP setting. I do not really do anything to it. This is standard VWAP on TradingView. Man, the ES right now is giving it up. The ES is dumping down here. The Dow's dumping down. Nvidia's pulling back. A little worried about this move down here. Well, I'm not worried about it, but we'll see what happens. Banana, banana. Why did my thing go away? I need some music. It's always a question. What music should I play next? 1 hour of chill music. Landon nailed the short. Damn it. He's too smart. Little smarty pants over there. All right, we got news here in 1 minute, people. Get ready. Ugh. 30 seconds. 10 o'clock news. Dropping it like it's hot. Oh, there's the news. There's the news. Landon was right with the short. He was right on the short, right on the money. 12-year-old calling the market better than me. All right, just being patient here. Let this news candle kind of play out. Down there below the 300s. She's a dipping hard. Oh, Lord. Wow. 12-year-old called out the short here on the stream. Congrats to Landon. A little legend. Straight down dipping. Straight down, dipping. I'm going to put Landon here on the stream. Just let him call out the trades. Let him call it out. What's next, Landon? We continue lower? You don't know? Hard to say. All right. What? You think it's going to chop back up a little bit? All right, I like that. Good way to look at it. Man, 12-year-old's on fire right now. He said it's going to be a little chop back up now. Chop back up. Dude, come on. Look at that. Right back up, baby. Fuck yeah. Hey, I might not be fucking making $1 million a day, chat, but the fact that my 12-year-old is on fire right now, I mean, hey, I like it. I like it. He's learning. He's learning. He's learning, chat. Landon, come over here. Show him. You gotta show him your hat. Show him your hat, your outfit today. What do you got? Gulf of America right there. There's the camera.
That's the camera?
That's the camera. Gulf of America, baby. 2025. Nice work. Nice work. He's green on the day. He's 12. He's making more money than most adult men. That's how we do it here, BDH. You hang out long enough, you make money, unless your name's the editor and you just film. The editor always asks me, he's like, I want to get into trading. I'm like, no, you're not. Don't even think about it. You ain't getting into trading, boy. You better just keep on filming. Got no time for no trading. Can't be having the editor making too much money trading, then he's gonna quit filming. That's the problem. He's gonna make $100,000 a day trading, and then he'll leave me. He'll be like, I don't need to film anymore. Maybe like a prenup. I'll make you sign that. You want to sign that? If you start making money trading, you cannot leave me. And then once you start making more money trading than you do filming, you no longer get paid. Kind of like Molly's game. I think that's a good thing. Are you in?
I'm not going nowhere.
What?
Staying.
He's not in. No prenup. No prenup. Oh, Lord. We got to get Ginger trading. Ginger's watching the stream every day. We could turn Ginger into a YouTuber. Lunchtime with Ginger. It'd be so nice and peaceful. She'd have fucking rainbow flags and just happiness and people smiling. The whole chat would just be everybody smiling about how happy they are. Ginger's just like, hey, everybody, I'm red today, but I'm happy, happy, happy. It's funny because most people, obviously, on the chat, you haven't met Ginger, but it's funny because, you know, obviously, I'm not the happiest person after a red day. And it's always funny because, like, I'll have a red day, and then I get ready to leave the BDH, and Ginger's always like, so how did today go? I'm like, are you kidding me? Did you just ask me how today went? That's like triggering words. That's triggering. You know what I mean? Y'all get triggered when somebody asks you how your trading day went when you're red? That shit gets me, man. I swear. Especially when Victoria, I'll go home. Victoria is like, she loves to ask me how my day was. Every fucking day. And I'm like, every day, I'm like, I don't know. It wasn't good. It wasn't bad. It was just the same old shit. But I feel bad because she wants to, like, you know, be all cute and talk about our days. And I'm like, I don't want to talk about my day. No, thank you. All right, what do you think, Landon? Are we going to go lower here? Should we got a short going or what? We're below that pivot point. Are we going to push up more or are we going to pull back here, Landon? We're going to pull back more? Pull back like go up or go down? Going down? Are you sure? All right, I'm in. Short. The 12-year-old, I said I'm 10-year-old, but the 12-year-old told me to short. This could be really bad. Stop above the 300s here. Let's see if we can get down there below 260s quickly. Try to trail this down maybe. Not financial advice. Oof, that is not the candle you want to see right there. Back up to the VWAP. Let's see. Stick to the plan. We got the VWAP. We got the pivot point as resistance right now. We're good. You know, as long as we can stay below that pivot, stay below that VWAP there, we're good. But damn it, Landon. If I get liquidated, you owe me $10,000. I was maybe a little late to that short. Probably should have shorted below the 280s, but I think we're good. We just got to ride this out. It's going to chop around here a little more and then head on lower. Head on lower. Come on, Nasdaq. Bring it down. Break it down. Oh, no. I'm going to keep my stop just a little higher just because that VWAP is like right there at 300. And I don't want to get like a little break of VWAP and then we go. So. Oof. I do not like that candle. The the chop is real here. Oof. Oof. Straight up. Wow. Right back up there. Chopped right back up. It is just on a tear. It's going to stop me out here now. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. We're getting stopped. Ouch. Ouch. Landon. Why'd you do that to me, bro? I like this little pushback up here now, to be honest. If we can get going through the... there's a seller at 330 there. Just got to get above that, and then we should try to rip back up that middle of that 377 level. I took the one losing trade of the day for Landon. Thanks, Landon. Back above the VWAP now. There's some big sellers kind of coming in there. Might have just been too early to that short. If they get it stuck below 320s. Got the bear flag there. Watching here. Got a little bull flag set up there off the 21 EMA. Back go with the VWAP right now. See if we can start to squeeze back up here, possibly. But just right there above the VWAP. It's right there. Right now, back to the fucking pivot point. Back to the VWAP again. What are they going to do? Bear flagging. Looks like we had probably the right idea for the short. Just too much size there at that level. So, is what it is. Ba-da-da-da-da. Trouble there. Well, we're definitely having a red day today, looks like. There's that move back down now. Can take a nice little, what was that, 7,000 down on the day. I was already up a little bit in the green and then just got chopped out there. Now she rips back up here again. You fuck. Look at that shit. Chopping and chopping. The middle of that 15-minute range is 377 level. Kind of getting a little bit of a wedge here. See which way this wants to go from here. Trying to push through there, breaking out again through that 320. If we get pushing, could go all the way back up to the middle there. Dakota is short right now from the 310s on the Nasdaq. Stops at the 350s. Kind of chopping here at the low, well, right at the VWAP there. All the EMAs, everything's just sitting there at that level. So, got some support, trying to hold up. Just needs to get it like kind of above that 320 area. Could get going again. Getting real tight here. I think like basically back above 325. Could start pushing back up towards 350s or so. There's that little push above 320s. Nvidia's squeezing kind of, well, not squeezing, but Nvidia's like pushing back up as well here. Nasdaq's trying to push back up. Just got to get like above the highs of these candles. The high of that candle right there is 325.75. That 5-minute candle right now just kind of looking like a doji. Doji there on the 5-minute chart. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now trying to push back up. You can see the ES also. Nice little like push off of that low, kind of that London low there. VWAP for the ES, VWAP for the Nasdaq here. Just wants to go. Getting real tight there. Bulls coming in. They're squeezing it. Oh, buddy. Straight up there again. Dakota stops at 350, kind of above the high of this candle. So we'll see if the market's going to push up there, take out its stop. We're right back down there again, 320s, chopping around here. Back down again. See a lot of people guessing in the chat right now. People guessing we're going to go up, guessing we're going to go down. That probably means that the market's chopping, huh? If everybody's guessing which way the market's going to go, I guess that means one thing. It only means one thing. Still pushing. Five-minute chart just poo-poo right now. ES is like kind of like showing more strength here. That 5,900 level on the ES again. So 350. I love how Dakota always says that they show his trades live on YouTube, but they're not showing it right now. I wonder why. Why are they not showing him short from the 310s? Why? Dakota, can you answer that? Dakota, why? Why do we not see your trade live? Is it because you're gonna blow up your fucking account today? 4 contracts short from 310? Is that why? Is that why? I wonder. Well, yeah, no, he blew up his account there. No mention of it on the stream. No mention of it on the stream. But they're the most transparent streamers, right? I wonder why. There you go. Nasdaq straight back up there. 21,350, 370s. Everybody in the chat was all talking about the shorts. That's 50 points back up there now. And there's that push up here as well. Look at the ES pushed up there. Through that pivot point, the ES showing strength there on the 15-minute chart. Breaking through the upside of that 15-minute candle. And then all the way up there, boner candle. Boner candle. So. ES pushed. Nasdaq pushed. The high of that candle is 68s now. I mean, the great thing is, like, maybe we could push up here through the 70 area and then a little pullback again, little bull flag, and then we look for more continuation. If we're going to go higher there up to the 450s, take out the highs from earlier. Dude, why did they not talk about Dakota losing 50 points on 4 contracts? Is it just me? Why is that? Why does Top Step not talk about that? Are they just going to ignore it? That he's shorted at the 310s? I'm so confused right now. He talks so much shit about how he's the most transparent trader ever, but then they're not showing that he just lost 50 points on a short. I'm confused. I'm confused. It just says at the top, no position. Oh, God. Still pushing up there to the 380s now. A little bull flag kind of paying. Right? A little bull flag there pushed up. Now I want to see if we can get above that yesterday's high. Or, no, sorry. Yesterday's, well, Friday's close, and then maybe another little bull flag there. Oh, yeah. Well, Nasdaq pushing again up there, 380s or so. Landon's long. He's long. Landon's long now. Still pushed. Right up there through the 380s now. Where's your target, Landon? 97s. This is Landon's trade right now. Landon is long. 1 micro. My 12-year-old. 400s? He moved his target up. He's gotten greedy now. All right. I like it. Know what? You think it'll push? Don't take advice from my 12-year-old, but he thinks it can push. I think you might have a little bit of a FOMO on that entry there, my friend. You bought the top of that one candle right there. Little FOMO there, boy. Just a little bit. We got almost 1,000 likes here on the stream. Somebody asked me if I'm in a trade. I am unfortunately in the red. I hit my max loss on my Tradeify live account. We're down $7,000 on the day. I was up like almost 5, and then that, let's just say it was not the best spot to short at. I ended up shorting, and yeah, that's not good. So we hit our max loss on the day for the Tradeify live account. I'm okay with it. It is what it is. Probably shouldn't have been playing around with that short down there, but yeah, I mean, hey, it happens. It probably wouldn't have been my normal short, but it happens. It was just kind of probably not the best spot for me to short at down there. All right, Nasdaq, where are you going to go next? If this flag plays out, right? If this flag wants to go, then it's like up into the 400, 420 maybe. Right? I mean, kind of would be the play. All right, Nasdaq still pushing. Landon's long. He's long. Where you got you move your target down. 89 now. Why 89? You think it can go higher? Too choppy. Okay, okay. You don't want to be in that trade for that long. Okay, I like it. 5-minute trade, too long for my 12-year-old. You're not wrong. It is choppy. This is my 12-year-old trading. This is not me trading. He's trading it over there. I can just see it on my computer because I'm logged into the same account. So anybody who's going to give me shit about the micro, it's my 12-year-old. It's not me. I'm not trading micros. My 12-year-old is. So relax. Take your kid to school. Take your kid to work day. Which Apex accounts do I have? I have only one 150K account right now with Apex. I know it sounds crazy, but that's literally all I have right now. Just one account. Oh, shit, Landon. Oh, shit, boy. You could have got lost. You could have made more money. Oh, my God, Landon. What is happening? You could have made so much fucking money right there, chat. What just happened? Oh, my God, Landon. 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 Dude, you could have got your 420 push. No, I'm saying that would have been it. That would have been it. Come here real quick. I want to show you something. So you can learn a little lesson. Come here. I'll show you a lesson. Lesson of the day. All right. Very simple idea. You had the right idea. The market wanted to go up, right? Yeah. So what do we want to do? We want to wait for those flag setups. We want to do like that. Okay. Draw your little line on there. It's like playing a video game. Put your little line. Put your little line there and then buy those breakouts. Because then, you know what would have happened? What? Well, you would have got in at a good spot and then you would have held it longer because you wouldn't have been in that trade, you know, mentally. Yeah, okay. Makes sense? Now what do? You gonna go back over and trade more? Yeah. My 12-year-old right now, he's up $86 on the day. He's getting to the point where he might be a little over trading, but hey, it's Mega Money Mondays. You gotta wait for that good setups, my friends. Wait, good setups only. So, love to see it here. There's that look. I mean, I don't know if somebody tweeted or why, but you can see kind of what we were thinking. If it pushed up there through the 400s, like right into that 420 area. So, love to see it. All right, little pullback here. Again, 390s. Is this like another big trap playing out? Or like, what is this? What's happening here now? Looks a little suspect. Down there to that 380 area again. Let's see if those bulls just continue to squeezies. Well, as much as I hate having a red day, it's always like a tricky thing for me. Because I do have, this is my Apex. This is my Apex funded account. We're up almost 7,000 on the day. And then in my Tradeify account, we're down 7,000. So it's kind of like a wash of a day. Not my best day ever. Not my worst day ever. But the funny part is, like, the funny part is the fucking chop down there was just amazing. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Literally getting stopped out at the high of that candle before pulling back. Just gotta love it. I mean, it's hilarious to see. It is hilarious to see there. Literally, like, We shorted right there at 270s because of my 12-year-old. So pretty much for now on, whenever I lose, it's not my fault. It's my 12-year-old's fault. What was your worst day? My worst day trading, probably like a 30, 50,000, maybe $100,000 loss. Something like that, maybe. I don't know. So. Dakota got stopped out? Yeah, he got stopped out a long time ago. What are you talking about? He shorted at 310s there earlier. Not, I mean, I do want to say, I want to say one thing. You know, maybe, you know, my short wasn't the best short ever, but at least I didn't short above the VWAP. You know? You know? At least I didn't short above the VWAP. You know, hey, I might have had a bad entry, but at least I didn't short at the VWAP. You know, let's just put that out there into the universe. You know, I might not, you know, I might not have had a good short there, but at least I didn't short right at the VWAP. I'm gonna just start my new thing, just burping on live stream. There's people out there that have fetishes for burps, you know. They'd be like, damn, this dude be burping real good. He's a good burper. I remember when I used to burp you, Landon. A little baby, had a little bottle. Had to pat you on the back and get burped, but you wouldn't burp, you would just throw up. God, the amount of throw up I had to do when that kid was a baby. Oh, we all looking at my phone? Don't look at my phone, you weirdos. All right, Nasdaq. Right there, 380 level. Lane's crashing over there, driving the simulator. Don't crash my simulator, bro. Hey, Patrick, are you up or down today? I mean, I'm kind of like, I don't really know what I am, to be honest. I'm like, I'm up, but I'm down. I'm down, but I'm up. You know what I mean? It's one of those days. It's kind of like a wash. A fugazi. You know, it's a wheezy, it's a wazzy, it's a woozy. It's just kind of, you know, I got Down syndrome for sure. I definitely have Down syndrome, no doubt about that. All right, Nasdaq now pulling back here again through the 360s. We got the VWAP down there, 21,309s for the VWAP right now, so. We're stuck at Friday close. The ES pushed up to the Friday close, pulled back. Nasdaq also kind of pulling back after that. We do have 1,000 likes here on the stream, so if you do want a chance to win, head on over there to onlyprofirms.com. We got the giveaways page. We'll send out an email at 11:30 to some of the winners. We got some free accounts to give away, so link there in the chat if you want to check it out. Always check out onlyprofirms.com daily for all the best fucking deals. Always, boys. Always. All right, Nasdaq down there to the 350s, that right there at that 21 EMA kind of level. Dipping and dipping. This market, I don't know if you call it choppy or if you call it crazy, but it's been up, it's been down, it's been all around today. Just taking everybody's stops, both the bulls and the bears. Bulls and bears. I feel like it's just like about to dump here again, though. Unless this is going to be that lower high. Gotta like, but I feel like, ugh, nasty. Abdul Qatar, I can't even, that's the craziest name I've ever seen him ever in the chat. But somebody in the chat said they've been watching the stream and they're getting payouts, so I would say your name, but there's no fucking way I can pronounce that. Abdul Qadir Ali. Abdul Qadir. Abdul Qatar. Nope, can't do it. Abdur Qadir Ali. Still too much. It's too much to go. Can't say it. I can't say it, chat. I don't know. Look here at the 5-minute chart. See, like now it's like you basically get back above the 380s. Kind of get that push up there through the 400s again. Right? There's that push up there towards the 380s. Now they just got to get through that 380 level and chop around here on that 5-minute chart some more. Patrick, do you ever trade with NinjaTrader? No. I've literally never, I think maybe I've used it 1 or 2 times, but I don't trade on NinjaTrader. All right, so right now, Friday's close acting as resistance, right? They're just like stuck there at Friday's close now, 377, 378 level. They got to get it, obviously, through that level. If not, could kind of play back down to that VWAP again. This is that tricky spot where it's either going to like, we got to pop up there and rip up, or we're dipping down back to the VWAP and kind of bleed out here. Both the ES and the Nasdaq kind of at a key level here. It's a tricky spot. It's looking trappy, basically. We got Powell speaking at noon, I guess. So maybe the market will, maybe the market's going to chop around until then. So it's like right there in the middle of that 15-minute range as well. Chris Moore said, too weird of a time of day to sell off. We're going higher. Okay. I never heard that one before. Too weird of a time to sell off. I'm going to use that from now on. Everybody, guess what? It is too weird of a time for the market to sell off, okay? It is just too weird. What? Look at your screen. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, he's long. Holy fuck, this kid's long. Oh, my God, he's long. Look at him. 12-year-old. Look, how'd you get, you got long at 360? You just got long for no reason? It just looked good, he said. Man, you've been hanging out with the same people in the chat who have been talking about the weird times of day. It's been a weird time of day here, everybody. Been so weird. There's that 85 resistance. Right now, we're looking at my 12-year-old's account. Well, it's my account, but he's trading it. We're here together. Don't report me to the fucking SEC or something. All right. He's got permission to trade my account. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, Landon. Now what do you do? What? You press the eject button. Eject, eject. You think it's still gonna go? I mean, you're up $100 on the day right now, my friend. So, I mean, you know, you choose. It's up to you. You decide. Is it time to take the profit? You're still holding? What's your target? 400? Oh my God. He said he wants to get to at least 80 before he sells. Wow. You think he can push to the 90s? This kid, man. Absolute legend. Absolute legend, chat. Well, we love to see it. Too weird of a time for it to go back down. Yeah, no, I know. That's I'm going to use that. I'm going to sell a course based on that. Call it the weird times of the market. And I'm going to tell everybody, well, see what happens is between 11 o'clock and 11:15, that is always a weird time for the market to sell off. So pretty much just get long. Whatever you do, just get long. You know, just get long. Just get long with it. All right, Landon is still long. He's up $120 on the day trading micros. I have not told him what to do. He is long from the 360s. I literally just told him when to buy, and now he's still not listening to me. But I mean, he got a pretty good entry there. The 360s, to be honest. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, we're just chopping around here, Landon. Are you getting worried? Not really? All right. At what point are you worried? When you're down? I like that. I mean, I'm with you. I like it. I like the idea of it. Oh, look, dude, Dakota is... My 12-year-old is fading Dakota right now. This is fucking epic. Yes, go, baby. Let's go. My 12-year-old's fading Dakota. Dakota is short right now from 370. Let's go, Landon. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go, Landon. Yes! Let's fucking go, Landon! Let's fucking go! The man, the myth, the legend, Landon! This has got to be the best day of my life. My arch nemesis and my 12-year-old son battling it out live on YouTube. Will he get filled? It's so fucking close! Oh my God! Oh God! Ah! 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 Oh fuck! Come on, Landon! Come on, for the Wieland name! It's a battle, Landon! You gotta win it for the Wielands! Come on, Landon, win it for the Wielands. Oh, so close. I mean, now you can move your target up probably. Because it's already like touched that level. So, I mean. Come on. We need to win this. All right, he's going 399 now. This might be bad advice. Don't be greedy. There you go. Dakota's stop is at 423. So that would be a great... He's trading a combine, by the way. It don't count. He's trading a combine. It don't count. It don't count. Come on, Nasdaq. Push it. Push it, push it. Oh, dude. The high of that candle. What was the high of that candle, Landon? 89.75, my friend. The high of that candle. You had your target at 90. You got you 25 cents. 25 cents got you, buddy. 25 cents. Got him. 25 cents. Is Dakota still in drawdown? Yeah, he's always been in drawdown. Only time he's never not been in drawdown is when he traded the XFAs and then YOLO'd them. Come on now. Little dippy dipping. You gonna get stopped out of this? Or you gonna let it hit max loss? Max loss, he said. My 12-year-old said he ain't fucking getting stopped out. He's taking max loss. Blowing this bitch up. Blowing this account up. He's blowing this motherfucking account up. He said, I ain't taking no fucking stop loss. Oh, man. Oh! You're up, you're down. You're all around. You can always add more, Landon. That's what a real degenerate does. You just add more, baby. You only got one contract. You could put on 100. You could. You could. You could put on 100 right now and say YOLO. I mean, pretty much the best indicator in the entire industry right now is happening. Dakota is short. And this was, I mean, like, he loses 75% of the time. So, I mean, the odds are in your favor, my friends. You know, I mean, no offense to Dakota, but, like, his win-loss ratio is 30%. So, I mean, 70% of the time, he's going to lose. That right there is a profitable strategy, by the way. You could just do exactly the opposite of Dakota every single day, and you could make money. So, I'm just putting that out there if you wanted to. I'm just saying. Even the chat's not that consistent. Even the chat's not 30% consistent. Or 70% consistent. Anybody want to make the Dakota indicator? I'm telling you, you can make a lot of money selling this thing. Just alert people. As soon as Dakota takes a trade, you alert everybody. It could be a thing. Make a lot of money. Could be a lot of money. Landon, you gotta come over here and do it on the screen. The trade's up there. Tell them what you're thinking right now. Tell us what you're thinking.
I'm not thinking a lot.
What are you thinking about? What? You're not thinking a lot?
I'm not thinking a lot. I'm just hoping.
You're still... No hoping.
Yeah.
You knowing.
I'm knowing.
This is the BDH, baby. We don't hope and pray.
Oh, it's gonna
It's gonna hit.
It's gonna
You want to move it up?
Sure. I think it could hit 400. But that might be pushing my luck.
Pushing your luck.
I think
But we don't have luck. Because they're Wielands,
Yeah.
baby. Wielands don't have luck.
Nah, I'll keep it there.
You keeping it there? All right.
Yeah. I'll be up 30 points from the trade anyway. I'll take
30
it.
points, he said. He'll take his 30 points. Are you nervous? There's 5,000 people watching you right now.
$50.
$50!
Right there.
Let's go! Come on, chat! If you could buy, everybody in the chat, just start buying. Help the market go up here. Get this 12-year-old filled. Get him filled! Oh! Woo!
Probably could have moved.
12-year-olds! 12-year-olds! On the day right now, my 12-year-old is up $150 trading the micros. Nice work, nice work, nice work. Get back over there and do some more. Make some more money for me. Get back over there, kid. Make some more money for daddy. LOL. Dakota, that motherfucker. That motherfucker. Today is too good. The fact that my 12-year-old faded Dakota and made money, I'm dying laughing right now, chat. I can't. This is the happiest day of my life. It's the happiest day of my fucking life right now. Oh my God, oh my God. Man. Oh, I'm dying laughing. I'm dying laughing right now, chat. I can't. Shit is hilarious. This shit is hilarious, chat. Absolutely hilarious. What time is it? Almost 11 o'clock. 21,400. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but it just seems like it wants to go through there. This is the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. Doing some stuff here. Almost to the 400s now. Oh, there you go, chat. Look at it. You know? There you go, chat. There you go. So, lesson of the day. You know, let's talk about lesson of the day, chat. Let's talk about the lesson of the day. Who wants to hear the lesson of the day? Anybody? You want to hear the lesson of the day? Are you ready? It's simple. Do the exact opposite of Dakota. Make money every fucking day. Boom! Also, never fade my 12-year-old. Don't do it. Don't you dare. He might have cost me some money today. I mean, but hey, ain't nobody perfect. It's probably my fault for listening to him in the first place, but I'm going to make him mow the yard and do a lot of work when we get home. He owes me about $10,000 now. I lost $10,000 because of you, bro. It was a good trade, he said. Oh, yeah, okay. I like it. I like your conviction in your trade. I like your conviction on your trade, bro. Oh, my God, Nat. Landon, why'd you take profit early, bro? Look, it's still going. 415. I told you to hold. I told you to hold, bro. I told you to fucking hold. Oh, man. Wait, how is it his fault if he's up? Well, I took the one trade of the day that was a losing trade for him. Well, I know. I took the one trade that I decided to copy. My 12-year-old was the losing trade of the day. But luckily, I think I'm going to go ahead and just mark it off as a wash. A woozy, a wash. You can see here, in my Tradeify live account, it sucks. We're down $7,000 on the day. And hey, it is what it is, right? But then, in my Apex funded account, we're up 9,000 on the day. So, am I red? Am I green? I don't really know, to be honest. You know, it's kind of just, it is what it is. I was trading 85% in my Apex account. At least I got better percentages than my 12-year-old. All right, that's what matters. That is what matters here, is that I'm still better than him. He might, you know, one day be better than me, but for now, I am still better than him. All right? I'm still better than him. When you took that as short, I was surprised. So not your style. Well, yeah, that was a bad short all day. I'll admit to that. I mean, it's kind of just is what it is, I guess. It's not really like you can sit here all day long, and maybe I could have gotten out a little earlier, probably. I think my biggest mistake there would have just been I should have covered once we got back above the wick of this candle, but I got a little greedy and held it for too much. So it is what it is. We'll do better. We're going to do better, chat. We're going to do better, I promise you. At some point, we're going to do better here. The Nasdaq's going to go for new highs. New highs, yeah. I'm going to try, I think I might put a long on here and just let it ride for the rest of the day and see if we don't go to new highs above that 450 area. Like literally just walk away and just let a long ride. It might chop around some more, but I mean, Powell speaking later, we could go to the fucking moon here today. Honestly. Somebody said, market makes sense. News comes out bearish. All indicators are bad. And the market rallies. There you go. I mean, there you go. You should call this stream chart watching in queue. Hey, Jose, how about this? How about you go fuck yourself, right? That's totally fine with me. Totally fine for me, little Jose. You want to go find just go find a fucking nice big old dildo and put it in your butt and go fuck yourself. Because I really don't give a fuck. This guy. But Patrick, he just watches this stream all day. He just watches this stream all day. Where's the GTR? It's still in Miami. I'm going to go get it right now, actually. I'm going to get out of here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We got places to be, things to do. If you haven't already, hit the... Right now, Nasdaq. Push it up there. So I will see you guys later. I got a million things to do today. And there it is. I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East. Later.